Unique, forward-thinking and inherently sustainable, our next emerging consumer brand is iQubix.
I want to thank Economic Times for recognizing iQubix as the emerging consumer brand of the year. This is an important milestone in our entrepreneurial journey to make it a 100 crore brand in next 3 years. I would also like to thank my colleagues and my family who have stood with me in all times and made this possible. Today, iQubix is already designer and manufacturer of largest number of green certified modular furniture and interior systems in India. All products are designed and made right here in India and getting recognition world over for their innovation and out-of-box design. In fact, they can replace a big amount of products imported from China and other countries. These products can bring down the time of execution of interiors like offices, hospitals, transport hubs, institutions, hotels, and even residences from many months to just a few days, and with minimum human resources on site. Now, this is very important in COVID times, and we can contribute in a big way in Make in India movement and to make India Atmanirbhar. Thank you.
iQubix is a DIPP registered startup which designs, manufactures and markets unique modular furniture and interior systems from 100% recycled aluminium. We have the unique distinction that all our products are certified Green Pro by Indian Green Building Council, Confederation of Indian Industries, Government of India.
Hi, this is Amit Garg, Director and Founder of iQubix Private Limited. We are a DIPP recognized startup and we are in the domain of green building industry. We named this startup iQubix from 3 I's, I cubed. I stands for integrated, I stands for innovative, and I stands for intelligent product systems. I'm an architect and product designer by profession, qualification. I created this startup a couple of years back because in my experience I found the market was flooded with a lot of systems which are not up to the mark in terms of there were serious design flaws, lack of functionality, lack of flexibility. And besides, there were none products which are available in the interiors for the green building. As we all know that green building industry is something which is of paramount importance for national economies, for the sustainability movement. So focused on this requirement, I decided to fill this gap, and we came out with the innumerable number of products. We have got more than 16 product systems and with over 50 variants, and we are launching every week, every month new products. We are doing it very fast simply because we have adopted a very agile design development philosophy and manufacturing strategy as well. Currently, we have adopted a very smart and very lean marketing techniques. In fact, our digital marketing is very, very strong, which we have done in-house. We have trained ourselves to do very authentic digital marketing, and in fact, most of our keywords are ranking first or on the first page of Google organic search results. Apart from that, we are trying to expand our footprint by establishing dealer network or distributorship network across India, which we have already initiated. Many of our products have become so hot selling, in fact, that the word of mouth is spreading very fast. Presently, we are not only competing with Chinese products, which are very cheap and very cliched design, but is very well entrenched in the Indian landscape, but also we are competing with very well established world famous brands across different product ranges.
Most important aspect of iQubix products is the holistic design strategy, which focuses on using 100% recycled aluminium with maximum number of multi-purpose and multi-use versatile components to minimize the product development cost, product cost, and the impact on the environment. Incorporating the principles of agile product development, iQubix strives to create meaningful and customer use driven products at minimum time and cost. iQubix also specializes in designing of customized product solutions for its clients and have developed systems to replace many import substitutes.